In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to set up Grubhub for restaurants. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to join Grubhub and register your restaurant here. You will be able to get your business boosted. So as you can see, this is their slogan: we boost businesses, access new customers, build your business, and grow your sales with technology from Grubhub. So all that you have to do to set up Grubhub for restaurants is going to be to visit the Grubhub for Restaurants website. So through a web browser, go to get.grubhub.com, or you can download the latest version of their mobile app, whatever you prefer. Once you arrive at the website or you download the app, you will be able to start this process. So first, you will have to include your full name. So just go ahead and type out your full name. And I'm just going to speed through this process. I'm just going to type out some random information to demonstrate what it would look like. But you should carefully take your time and include everything over here as needed. You will be able to choose between restaurant, virtual restaurant, food truck, convenience, grocery, liquor store, flower shop, pet, retail, meal kits, or nutrition. So once you choose any of these, you will be able to finish it off by including your store name. So once again, I'm just including random information just to demonstrate how it would look like, but you have to carefully take your time and include everything. Afterwards, you can opt in for optional messages and then get started. You will be able to confirm all of these details, and next, you will be requested to download their mobile app. The mobile app is where you will be able to finish this all up and make sure that you can receive your orders. So go through this process and you will be verified. If everything looks valid and legitimate, you will be able to get this process done. So as soon as you do this through the website or the mobile app, they are going to verify the background and see if everything looks okay. So you will have to talk about how many locations are you signing up for, the size of your store, how many employees, and so on. And there is a lot to go over. Because of this, I cannot go over this whole process in this video. There are 6 main steps, and you will be able to do them on your own if you follow the on-screen instructions. I hope I was able to help you on how to set up Grubhub for restaurants. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.